Volcanoes. In this video, we are going to see about the destructive or the negative effects and the constructive or the positive effects of volcanic eruption. Destructive or the negative effects. Effects on earth and property. Steam, gas, and smoke that comes out of volcanic eruption may cause heavy rainfall, which leads to landslides, mud flows, and floods. Volcanic eruption near the coastal areas cause floods, destroying the settlements. Many poisonous gases are also emitted during the volcanic eruption, thus causing environmental pollution. Constructive or positive effects. Lava that comes out on cooling solidifies into rocks, and they leave the deposits, and these are nothing but the black soil. The black soil is got from lava. This is very helpful in the growth of cotton. Volcanic rocks contain lots of minerals. Many metallic minerals are got from the volcanic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are formed due to the volcanic eruption. Springs are also associated with volcanic areas. The heat energy from hot springs can be used for generating power. The volcanic activities bring beauty to the landscape, thus attracting many tourists. If you like this video, kindly subscribe